This video aims to clear up some misunderstanding about the views of the child during family proceedings such as care proceeding. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the widespread misunderstandings that exist regarding the part that the wishes of the children themselves play in the process of determining who will care for them. One of the most widespread misunderstandings is the idea that the wishes of the kid should always be the decision factor. On the other hand, this is not the case. The wishes of the children are one element that might be considered, but they are not the sole consideration. The welfare of the children is the first concern of the court, and they will base their judgments on what is in the child's best interests. There is also a widespread misunderstanding that children are able to pick which parent they will reside with. Once more, this is not the case. It's possible that certain judges will take into account what the child really wants, but it's not the only thing that will be examined. The judgments that the court makes will be based on what is considered to be in the child's best interests, which may or may not coincide with the child's own desires. It is also essential to keep in mind that the court does not always take into consideration the preferences of the child. It is up to the discretion of the court whether or not to allow the child to provide their side of the story. The judgments that the court makes will be based on what is considered to be in the child's best interests, which may or may not coincide with the child's own desires. In addition, there is a widespread misunderstanding that the wishes of the children are always accorded a large amount of weight and are usually honored. On the other hand, this is not the case. The wishes of the children are one element that might be considered, but they are not the sole consideration. The judgments that the court makes will be based on what is considered to be in the child's best interests, which may or may not coincide with the child's own desires. In conclusion, it is extremely important for parents to have an understanding of the part that the wishes of the child play in the care processes. To guarantee that they are able to give the highest level of care for their children, parents should collaborate with trained experts and look for help and resources in their community. It is also essential to correct the many misunderstandings that exist regarding the judicial system and to raise people's levels of knowledge and comprehension of it. If social services in the UK have reason to suspect that a child is in imminent danger, they may initiate care procedures and take custody of the child from the home of his or her parents. Nevertheless, social services cannot choose when to take away an underage child from their care. They are forbidden to take the child away from their immediate family unless a court order specifically allows them to do so. If you have questions, you can contact me through my email, chris@curlingmariesolicitors.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.